Buying an SUV in 2026? Here's something wild. 3 out of 4 people who buy an SUV end up wishing they hadn't within 2 years. That's a lot of regret for what's probably the second biggest purchase most people make after a house. Why does this happen? Usually it's one of 3 things: repair bills they didn't see coming, gas mileage that makes their wallet cry, or build quality that falls apart faster than expected. Consumer Reports decided to figure out which SUVs actually live up to the hype. They tested over 70 models and found something interesting. Only 7 scored above 85 on their reliability scale. That's the magic number that separates the SUVs built to last from the ones that'll have you on a first-name basis with your mechanic. Even crazier, one of these top performers costs under $50 a year to maintain. Not $50 a month, $50 for the entire year. If you're shopping for an SUV or just paranoid that you already bought the wrong one, keep watching. This could save you serious money. Number 1. Honda CR-V. Let's start with the cheapest SUV to own on this entire list, the Honda CR-V. This thing is basically the gold standard for people who just want a vehicle that works without drama. How cheap are we talking? The average CR-V owner spends $47 per year on maintenance. That's it. You'll blow more than that on a single tank of premium gas in most luxury SUVs. So what makes the CR-V so bulletproof? Honda kept it simple. Instead of loading it with complicated tech that breaks after the warranty runs out, they focused on building systems that last. Fewer moving parts means fewer things that can go wrong. Mechanics love these because they're still running strong at 200,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. And here's the kicker. Even after 5 years of driving, the CR-V keeps between 62 and 70% of its value. Most SUVs lose half their value in that time. Honda built this for people who plan to keep their car, not flip it every 3 years. If you want something reliable that won't bleed your bank account dry, the CR-V is about as safe a bet as it gets. Number 2. Mazda CX-5. Next up, we've got the Mazda CX-5. This one's interesting because it breaks the usual rule. Normally, you have to choose. Do you want an SUV that's fun to drive or one that's reliable? Mazda said forget that and gave you both. The turbocharged version cranks out 256 horsepower, which is enough to embarrass a lot of so-called performance SUVs that cost way more. But here's the thing most people miss. Even with all that power under the hood, this thing doesn't break. Consumer Reports data from 2026 shows these regularly hitting 200,000 miles without major issues. Compare that to some European luxury brands where you're basically gambling after 60,000 miles. Maintenance costs? The average owner pays about $447 a year. That's nearly $200 less than most compact SUVs. And somehow, even with the turbo engine, you're still getting 31 miles per gallon on the highway. So you get speed when you want it and savings when you need it. It's one of those rare cases where you actually don't have to compromise. Number 3. Kia Telluride. Here's one that surprised a lot of people: the Kia Telluride. 10 years ago, Kia was the brand you bought if you couldn't afford anything else. Not anymore. The Telluride scored a perfect 5-star reliability rating from Consumer Reports in 2026 and an 85 from J.D. Power. Those are scores you'd expect from a Lexus, not a Kia. But what really turns heads is the price. You're paying around $38,000 for materials and features you'd normally find in a $55,000 Mercedes or BMW. Heated leather seats, massive touchscreen, 3 rows of actual usable space. It feels expensive without the expensive price tag. And here's where it gets even better. Used Tellurides hold their value like crazy. You'll see 3-year-old models selling for almost as much as brand new ones because people know what they're getting. Kia also backs it with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. That's the longest in the business. They're basically saying, we're so confident this won't break that we'll cover it for a decade. Kelley Blue Book named it their best buy for 2026. It's not hype. This thing is legit. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. Now let's talk about the best resale value on the list, the Toyota RAV4. Most SUVs lose about half their value in 5 years. The RAV4, it keeps 61%. That's massive. And it's not expensive to begin with either. Prices start around $29,000, so you're not breaking the bank up front. But here's a detail most people sleep on. Toyota uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt. Why does that matter? Timing belts need to be replaced every 60 to 100,000 miles, and that repair usually costs between $500 and $1,000. Timing chains last the entire life of the vehicle. That's one fewer expensive surprise waiting for you down the road. You're also getting 35 miles per gallon on the highway, which adds up fast if you're commuting. It's practical without being boring, and because it holds its value so well, when you're ready to sell or trade it in, you're not losing your shirt. Toyota built a reputation on reliability, and the RAV4 is basically Exhibit A. Number 5. Lexus RX. If you want luxury without the luxury repair bills, check out the Lexus RX. This has been a top pick in Consumer Reports reliability rankings for over 10 years, and it's still crushing it in 2026. Here's the secret. Lexus is Toyota's premium brand, so you're getting the same bulletproof engineering that makes Toyotas last forever, just wrapped in nicer materials. The base RX 350 has a smooth V6. The hybrid version gets over 30 miles per gallon, which is wild for a luxury SUV. Most German competitors can't touch that without turbocharging everything, and turbos add complexity that tends to break. The RX keeps things simple and reliable. Inside, it's quiet, comfortable, and loaded with tech that actually works instead of glitching out after a year. And because it's a Lexus, maintenance costs are way lower than BMW, Mercedes, or Audi. If you want to feel fancy without paying fancy repair bills, this is the move. Number 6. Acura RDX. Here's one that doesn't get enough credit, the Acura RDX. It's basically Honda's luxury SUV, which means you get premium features backed by Honda's rock-solid reputation for not breaking. Under the hood, there's a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine pushing out 272 horsepower. That's plenty for daily driving and highway merging without feeling sluggish. But unlike some luxury brands that sacrifice efficiency for power, the RDX still gets 28 miles per gallon on the highway. That's set-and-level efficiency in an SUV that can handle bad weather. Inside, you're getting leather seats, a huge moonroof, and all of Acura's safety tech as standard equipment. A lot of German brands make you pay extra for that stuff. Consumer Reports ranked it high for reliability in 2026, and owners consistently report driving these for over 10 years with minimal issues. It also holds its value better than most luxury SUVs because people know it's built on Honda's engineering DNA. You get the upscale experience without the constant trips to the dealership. Number 8. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Now we're talking about a perfect score. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid earned a 5 out of 5 from Consumer Reports in 2026. Less than 2% of all vehicles ever hit that mark. Most three-row SUVs make you choose between space and fuel economy. The Highlander Hybrid gives you both. It gets 36 miles per gallon combined, which saves the average family over $800 a year compared to a regular gas SUV. That's real money. And it's not just about saving gas. This thing is built to last. Owners regularly report driving these for 15 plus years and over 250,000 miles without major problems. It also scored a perfect 5 in owner satisfaction, meaning people who buy it actually love it. No regret, no surprise repairs, just a solid family SUV that does what it's supposed to do for as long as you own it. Families don't trade these in, they pass them down. Number 8. Honda Passport. Let's talk about one that punches way above its weight, the Honda Passport. Think of it as a tougher, more stripped-down version of the Honda Pilot. It seats 5 instead of 7, but it's got more attitude and takes up less space. Consumer Reports gave it top marks for both reliability and owner satisfaction in 2026. Under the hood, you're getting a naturally aspirated V6 with 280 horsepower. That means smooth power delivery without the maintenance headaches that come with turbo engines. It still gets 25 miles per gallon on the highway, which is solid for a mid-size SUV with this much muscle. Inside, Honda kept it simple. No overly complicated tech that'll glitch out after a year you buy it. Just straightforward controls that work. And the build quality shows. Tons of owners are driving these past 200,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes and brake pads. If you want tough and reliable without feeling like you're driving a truck, the Passport nails it. Number 9. Subaru Forester. Last one on the list, the Subaru Forester. This one shocked the experts by scoring an 86 out of 100 on Consumer Reports' 2026 reliability tests. That puts it in the top tier of compact SUVs. What makes it special? Every single Forester comes with all-wheel drive as standard, not an upgrade, not an option, standard. And it's not just for show. This thing handles snow, rain, and dirt roads better than SUVs that cost 10 grand more. You'd think all that all-wheel drive capability would destroy your gas mileage, but nope, it still gets 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. That's set-and-level efficiency in an SUV that can handle bad weather. Subaru also includes their eyesight safety system on every model. Most brands make you pay extra for that stuff. The Forester gives you confidence in rough conditions, great fuel economy, and built-in safety features without making you choose between them. So what's the takeaway? These 7 SUVs aren't just reliable on paper. They're designed to save you money in the real world. They hold their value, they sip gas instead of chugging it, and they don't hit you with surprise repair bills that make you regret your purchase. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our other videos. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us keep making content that actually saves you money. Thanks for watching.